Hey guys, Elvin Prince here. It has come to my attention that there's a new Helluva Boss thing. New Helluva Boss episode. I am tired as shit. I just got off a 16-hour shift, and dear God, I need to get this out. So I hope you guys enjoy. What was last episode? We were doing stuff with Luna and Octavia. They went off into the human world and mucked around a bit. Yeah, I believe that is it for major stuff. We didn't touch at all on the Blitz Stolas shenanigans. And yeah, I believe that is it for stuff on my end. Gonna be doing Ruby Volume 9 reactions every Monday, Hogwarts Legacy Thursday and Tuesday, Bioshock on Wednesdays. I believe we're on to Infinite now, and Castlevania on Fridays. So, hope you guys enjoy. Stuff down below, do with it as you see fit, and without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, demon horniest sexual theme, so on and so forth. You guys know the drill. Why are you... Well, good for you. Oh, hello. Someone's in a very opinionated mood. Uh-huh. What's going on? Oh? Uh-huh. What? Destroy everything. Huh. Why? I see. Who's this bloke? Who's this bloke? I see. That's your ride. Didn't that wall just get fixed? Oh, and there go all your stuff. Huh. A little shark thing? Uh-huh. Are you really that desperate for money? Uh-huh. Oh, there's Lululand. Is that the circus guy again? Or just someone who looks a lot like him? Not Mafia Town. Huh. We're finally getting Moxie's past. Who's this bloke? Oh boy. Oh boy. Uh-huh. That's... Huh. Hmm.
What kind of shit has Moxie been spreading about me? I'll fucking kill you, Moxie! Don't you fucking test me! No, no! From all over.
Really?
Building a bit of a name for yourself here, kid. Really? Well, I guess it's about time folks recognize my talent.
Do the horns have different variations depending on where they're from?
We put together a fabulous dinner for you.
Hey, baby. Why haven't I met your pa before?
He's a interesting person.
Move it before it gets cold. Look, no, we can talk about it later.
Yep.
So, Grace.
What all's going on?
I was in the circus for a long time. Show business.
Uh-huh.
What are we doing here? Sir, Moxie, I raised you better than that. You know there's no business before dinner. Besides, we're still waiting on one more.
Who's that? Oh,
Wait,
who?
you know him?
You remember that ex I was talking about?
Looks like I have
Oh, God.
reunions today.
Huh.
Am I?
Did you date him too?
Yeah, no big deal. But I usually phone half the people and then you remind me. Are you fucking kidding me? There's someone who's fucked both of you! It was a long time ago. But I still remember
Let's see.
yesterday. You were fledgling mafioso. Me, the dashing and extremely sexy muscle. It was
Huh.
written in stars.
So it seems that Greed has a semi-aquatic-ish theme. Oh, hello.
Shit.
You've never told me this before.
What? That he's a mob
My wife, but
individual?
saw Chaz at my induction with the family.
Huh.
Met from across the room, and there was just something about him. Something
Definitely seems that the natives of this area appear to be semi-shark-like. Huh.
It's been 84 years. Not from that boat movie.
Did any of that stuff actually happen?
Oh, yeah. But he skipped over the jizz-covered parts.
There's... I do like how the musical themes switch. There we go. Oh. Yep. Time to bounce. Betrayal. Gee, are we surprised about that betrayal?
Hey, not much for Docker, are we? I'm Blitz. The O is silent.
Huh, so that's how they met.
Justify. So what you feel, what you do, who you diddle. Someone who with a gun to threaten someone who shoot up an office, and I hope you are. So I got a plan to
What?
get us out of this dump, but I'm gonna need some help. Can you give me a hand? I need to get out to my daughter. Babysitter will kill me if I don't do this.
Dear God, this is lore dump galore.
Got out. I never looked back.
Oh.
Well, like you said,
Oh, someone's going off.
Hold on a second. Bitch in hell is
There we go.
So, this is aggressively uncomfortable.
I suppose you want to know why you're here.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, we kill people on Earth, right? We don't normally do contracts for locals, so
Huh.
if you want to do business with us, you gotta.
I don't want to do business with IMP. I want to do business with Roxy. Me?
Oh.
Kid.
Huh.
I summoned IMP to be sure you'd show. Because, well, we're bringing Chaz into the family. What? Since when can just anyone join the family? Come on, Rox.
I
You had
don't think he qualifies as just anyone.
you left. Now Chaz is going to lighten the load. Wait, I thought you always hated his guts. Well, I don't know if I exactly hated him. You called him a friendless horse fucker and said he lived a sissy lifestyle. Yeah, well, I was wrong. You've been gone a long time, Fox. A man can change. And so is Chaz. Yeah, I've grown, matured, and recently
Hence
made
the
millions. But you know,
jazz.
the maturity.
Or not the jazz, but.
So the horseless friend fucker over
Huh.
Helluva, and suddenly it's worth wasting our time over? Well,
Yep.
I'm not.
Something like that.
I got a big bit.
What does any of this have to do with Moxie?
Huh.
There's going to be a ceremony tomorrow. Moxie here is going to officially release his holdings in the organization. Then you can get back to ignoring your family to your heart's content.
Maybe he wouldn't ignore his family if they didn't force him to rub elbows with a no-good shark-tooth fuckface.
Hey, look, everybody relax. I know tensions have been high tonight.
No shit.
Why don't you stay here and get some rest? We'll have the ceremony tomorrow, and then you will be free to leave. I have your rooms all prepared. Yes, sir.
Oh. Yeah, he just crumples.
Moment, Moxie. Just give me a minute, Millie.
He just crumples as soon as he's given any word from his father.
So, you think you're too good for this family now? What? Come here.
That's a whole lot of imp horns.
You think you're gonna just get to walk away from this family and never come back? Get that wrong, Mox. Matter
Huh.
of fact, the only thing you're right about is that obnoxious piss stain can't get me. Not unless he marries him. Marries him?
Oh.
But who do you think? This family needs that money. And it's about time your pathetic ass was useful for something. Sir,
Political marriage.
I can't think I give a shit about your stupid beard. Come on, Mox. I even went through the trouble of making the house more to your kind's liking. Wait, what?
What?
What I'm into? What? This is the kind of shit gays like, right? Okay, first off, Dad, I'm bisexual. Yeah, gay. Oh, for fuck's sake. Secondly, I don't know a single person of any sexuality who would enjoy this.
I mean,
Look at me, kid.
you fucking know one.
You're gonna do what I fucking say.
I really hope that YouTube doesn't flag that or some shit. Seems his mother at least enjoyed. Holy fuck, he's a crack shot. It seems his mother at least was a decent enough person. Just that they didn't quite get along. Also, how do you not know how to use a fucking knife, Moxie? Gonna get made. Just go for it, kid. Like, the smile on that face was not at all necessary.
Let this be a lesson, Moxie. This is what happens when you cross me.
Oh shit, was that?
Now get to bed, Moxie. You
That was his mom, wasn't it?
tomorrow. Yes, sir. Oh, and Mox, if you ever talk back to me again, you and that pretty little thing you brought here are going home in boxes. Capiche? Yes, sir.
Yeah, makes sense that he's a mobster. Also, fucking switch up the scenery, man.
Why? How come we aren't in
Vincent wants you all to stay in separate rooms.
Why? Moxie?
Don't ask questions.
It's okay.
Mox, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Yeah,
Please don't worry, sweetie.
You know you can tell me anything,
uh-huh.
right?
Yes. Everything's fine.
Partners, Mox.
Yeah.
It's just my dad. It's okay, really. It'll be over tomorrow.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I love you too. Good night.
Right. Let's see how this shapes up. Dear God, that is a... That is a room.
Done with the place. Oh, just get out of here. Come on, Mox. We used to have so much
Fucking
fun.
hell.
Remember? I'm very Chaz. And even if I weren't, I would never. Never what? Let me take you to Town again. You are so gross. Just leave me alone. I know what you want most, Moxie Popsy.
I do enjoy the different color schemes, but the I will admit this episode has some interesting bits, but is not my speed. Is this what I got off the 16-hour shift for? Fucking hell, man. He definitely does have a greaser aesthetic. Lock the door. Like, shove a chair under the handle. Oh god. Chaz.
What do you want?
Oh. Fucking.
This usually works.
Nope, don't.
Hey there, good looking.
Oh, I was wondering how long it would take for you to make it.
Huh.
Does that mean you're down to clown?
No, when did you think I would violate my rights by sleeping with their ex, especially when you fucked them over the way you did?
I'll show you all the things they liked in the sack.
Deal.
At least. At least he's enjoying the night. But I do wonder if the horns are sort of a regional differentiator.
Okay, fucker, nobody who's that bad can score two hotties that easily. Now you gotta be hiding something.
Where? Someone really loves the shark aesthetic. Yep.
You won't be the only junk in my trunk. Damn it, man. It's not a good.
No, it's fucking not, man.
Hey, hey, the man of the hour. You ready to get started?
Wait, where's Blitz?
I think I saw him head outside. He said something about needing some fresh air or something.
Why don't you grab it so we can get moving?
Be right back, baby.
What you looking so
Huh.
good for, kid? It's your wedding day. Best day of your life.
Lovely.
I'm not doing it.
Oh.
I couldn't make it out over the sound of you being a whiny bitch. I said I'm not doing it, sir.
Well.
I've spent my whole life being afraid of you, but I'm not giving up the only good thing I've ever had just so you can keep your fragile little sense of control over everything.
Uh-huh.
A better woman than I deserve. And there's nothing that scares me more than hurting her. Not even you. I'm leaving, Dad. And if you or Herpes the Clown over here try to stop me, you'll learn firsthand just how
Where'd the... Yep, where'd he go?
now take care of the others.
There we go.
Oh, Millie, you found me. Who's your friend?
Friend.
Yeah. If you expected to get her, that ain't happening.
Here's everyone here.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Let's get this thing rolling, eh?
Aww.
You told me all the chairs would be filled.
Satisfied?
Fuck yes.
What is going on?
I'm with the priest here.
Colin trying to marry Moxie.
Also, why are there priests in hell? Like, they shouldn't care about officiating about officiating marriages and whatnot.
Look at that. He's just so fucking happy to be here.
Everything's locked down. How are we gonna get in?
I got the keys.
Buckle up, Millie. We're doing a shred. I am Jack.
You want my husband? You're gonna have to fucking keep me.
Suddenly, more people showed up. Is she removing their spines? Didn't realize this was fucking Metal Gear Rising Revengeance. Huh. I... You're gonna have to get more... Other than her being abroad to get difficulties. Camera work is nice as always. Good call there, Father. Someone's not in a good mood.
Hey, what about my room?
This ass is mine.
By the way, y'all should probably know Chaz isn't even rich. Okay, check his car. He just played you like a fucking room.
Uh-huh. You're still there?
Millie, thank you for saving me. You're amazing.
Next time, just tell me if your dad is a psychopath. I can handle it.
Well,
Yep.
I'm glad everything ended up okay. Good to know we both have daddy issues, Mox. Also, I got to plow your ex-boyfriend.
Yippee. How am I supposed to fucking respond to that? Yeah, that tracks. Well, there's another problem that's coming back. I mean, this episode was alright. I will fully admit that it is not my speed. I'm really concerned about how all the censoring is going to work with keeping this up. But, dear God, we got absolutely plowed with backstory and shit, if you'll pardon the analogy. But, yeah, I mean, it was decent. There is no way that Chaz was surviving that. I want to get a better look at. Are these all his fucking horses and what he wants with them? Fuck. I don't get it, man. But anyway, you guys know the drill. Stuff down below just as you see fit. Playlist if you want to see my other Helluva Boss reactions. And yeah. Why is King Slut a transphobic bisexual? I'm gonna get some sleep. I hope you guys have fun and a good night or day wherever you are. Until next time. This is Elvin Prince signing out.